Hi, if you want to customize the control center on your iPhone 16, then swipe once from the upper right corner and you'll trigger the control center. So here we can see 3 pages for now. This one is for music, this is with necessary tools, and this is with many features. So to customize it, you need to press and hold any free space on the screen. And the first thing we can notice is that we can remove the controls. Just tap on it to remove like that, and that's it. Now you can also resize them by dragging the corners, just like this, and add some controls. As you can see, there are plenty of features, including the accessibility, vision accessibility, wallet, voice memos, and so on. So to add a feature, you'll need to tap on it, and it will be immediately added to the control panel. Here, swipe once to go in the music, and you can also resize this icon. Just drag the corners to make it smaller or bigger, and let's move on to the third page. Here you can also add some of the controllers, for example an alarm, and as you can see it is moved to the next page because here is not enough space, so we can just make it smaller like that, and we can just remove this feature from here and add it to this third page. Let's tap on the edit control and here select the voice memo, and this is how it will look. So you can add as many features as you want just by tapping it like that. And to exit those customization, you'll need to simply tap on any free space on the screen, or you can use the slider to swipe up and close the control center. And here's how it looks now. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.